Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off stolen device protection to reset Face ID. So if you're on your iOS device, right, you go to Face ID and passcode and you scroll down, you try to reset Face ID, you get this. Face ID is required while stolen device protection is turned on. Easy, just go to your settings, okay? Scroll down until you see privacy and security. I want you to click on privacy and security. And then right here, I want you to scroll down again until you see stolen device protection. Now, you're getting that issue because it's usually on. So I want you to click here and just toggle it off. Make sure it's toggled off just like this. Okay. And once it is toggled off, I want you to just go ahead and go back to Face ID and passcode. And now you should actually get this option to reset Face ID. Okay. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button. Subscribe to Quick Fix.